Frugal friends, may I, for a moment, toot my own horn? Look at how good they look! Ah! Some of them have some blocks. Well, hello there. Welcome to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, also known as Frugal Mama, here on YouTube. And if you've been with us for any amount of time across our 3 channels, then you will know I am stubborn. And I easily get obsessed. And I'm also incredibly determined. And when I start a project, sometimes I finish it. And certain projects I get crazy about. And I go to almost extreme lengths to finish them and make them happen. Case in point, the candle recycling, upcycling. Oh my goodness, this is part 2. Hopefully we won't have a part 3. No, we will because of the pillar candles. Dang it. Oh well, and let me show you where we were and where we've gotten and the process. Is this even worth it? No, probably not. I could just take these to the glass recycling and be done with it. But I've started on this path and I want to see it through for some crazy reason. Is this worth it? I don't know. I've boiled them, I've scrubbed them, I've done hot soap, soapy water. I'm gonna try vinegar, maybe I'll do a little bit of research, but getting the wax out of these is just insane. The thing is, I am committed to this project now and I will see it through. I'm thinking of some plan B options, like if I'm going to make them into new candles, maybe it's fine that there's wax in there. They just won't be like super clean and pretty. I don't know. What if I swirled paint inside of them? But then I had wanted to use them for like my herbs and stuff, so that wouldn't work. I would have to use them maybe like, I don't know, as Halloween spooky jars. That's an option. I'm gonna come up with something. By the end of this video, obviously, I will have a plan, even if that plan ends up being recycling them. I had to bust out the big Timu brush. Hadn't ever used it yet, so excited to have an opportunity to use it. But look, the stuff is coming off. How about that? Madness and obsession and stubbornness, and for the video, but mostly madness and obsession. But we're getting it done. Vinegar is the answer, frugal friends, to so many questions. So I did scrub and scrub and scrub, and I can't even tell now at this point which one had soot on it. So that's really cool, really exciting. I am now going to do a final rinse with hot soapy dishwater, and then they're gonna be as done as they are going to get. I've prepped 3 of our little candle tins, complete with the wicks. There's only 2 of the wick holders, so we'll have to switch that over when we're done. I've got a pot on the stove warming up, and we're gonna put the wax in there this is all from leftovers from the candles from the jars that we've been working on. Looks like we've got some right here. Don't want to waste that. Anyway, so gonna warm that up, and we are going to pour these candles. I wonder if I should have a 4th one ready just in case. I don't think we'll need that many, but you know what the heck. I'm gonna go ahead and have one ready just in case. it was the perfect amount for 3. How cool is that? Frugal friends, may I, for a moment, toot my own horn? Look at how good they look! Ah! Some of them have some water spots from when they were drying. I'll clean that up, clean those off. Here are the lids. Oh my goodness, sorry, out of breath. Been running all over the place doing a million different chores, running errands, etc. But anyway, and our air outside, good Lord, is so bad. But here we are with these beautiful, oh my God, beautiful, cleaned up, recycled, repurposed jars, ready and waiting to have pretty little labels to go on my herb shelf. I'm so happy. Now, I would like to know what ideas you guys have specifically for the tops. Before I had decided that I was going to recycle all of the jars, I had been finding uses for the lids. You can take out the plastic ring and use this as like a votive candle holder, or put it on your shelf like this and put a candle on top just to give it a little height as you are putting candles in your displays. For instance, ta-da! I don't know if it'll fit this way. Not quite. A little bit. Close. Anyhow, as far as what to do with the plastic rings, I think we could come up with some ideas, but you guys tell me in the comments what you think we could do with those, and stay tuned for part 3 of the recycling our candle jars and their wax and their lids. Stay tuned. That is going to be happening. And then we also are finally going to take care of these 4 glass pillar candles that got left in the attic after Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, a few years ago, and totally destroyed. I had hoped to be able to reuse one of them at least, but I don't have wicks that are long enough. So we're going to have to do something else with these. I don't know yet what that will be. So please come on back, be subscribed, like and share, stick around because you want to see the final result.